Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 20 new woodworking tools on Amazon, featuring incredible innovations for every woodworker. From budget-friendly gadgets under $20 to professional-grade tools up to $500. These game-changing products can improve accuracy, speed, and efficiency in your workshop. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned carpenter, these tools are definitely worth checking out. Let's get started. Universal Cross Dowel, the Woodpeckers. Universal Cross Dowel Jig is a precision-engineered solution for creating strong, professional knockdown furniture joints. Designed to ensure perfectly intersecting bolt and cross dowel holes, it eliminates guesswork and improves accuracy. Its adjustable design accommodates a wide range of hardware sizes, making it ideal for everything from cabinetry to heavy-duty workbenches. Built from durable anodized aluminum with stainless steel guide bushings, this USA-made jig delivers reliable performance, repeatable results, and long-lasting durability for serious woodworkers. Half-round router bits, Woodpeckers, Ultra-Shear. Half-round router bits are precision-engineered cutting tools designed to create flawless loose tenon stock and smooth bullnose profiles with exceptional accuracy. Featuring premium carbide cutting edges, these bits deliver clean cuts, reduced tear-out, and long-lasting performance. Available in both metric and imperial sizes, they are ideal for custom joinery, furniture making, and Festool domino-compatible projects. Whether you're crafting decorative through tenons or heavy-duty structural joints, these router bits provide professional quality results every time. DrillMate PRO Guide. The Milescraft DrillMate Pro Guide is a versatile portable drilling system that brings drill press accuracy to virtually any workspace. Built with a rugged all-metal aluminum body, dual ball bearing spindle, and a heavy-duty 1/2-inch keyed chuck, it delivers precise, straight, angled, and centered holes with ease. Features like built-in V-grooves, centering pins, adjustable depth stop, and 0 to 60-degree angle settings make it ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects where accuracy and consistency are essential. Multi-Angle Drill Guide, the Muzata Multi-Angle Drill Guide. Jig CT24 is a compact yet highly effective tool designed to make cable railing installations faster and more accurate. Featuring precision machined guide tracks at 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees, it helps create perfectly aligned holes for deck and stair railing systems. Built from durable anodized aluminum alloy, the jig includes multiple hole sizes to accommodate common cable hardware. Its laser-etched alignment markings improve positioning accuracy, while the portable design makes it ideal for both professional contractors and DIY woodworking projects. Router Plane. The HONGDUI KM17 PRO router plane is a premium woodworking tool designed for precision joinery and flawless groove finishing. Built from heavy-duty die steel, it features an anti-backlash depth adjustment system, a secure cam-lock depth stop, and a reversible blade assembly for hard-to-reach corners. The dual throat design offers either maximum visibility or enhanced support during cuts. Complete with straight and spear point blades, an adjustable fence, and a sharpening jig, the KM17 PRO delivers exceptional accuracy, durability, and versatility for demanding woodworking projects. Delve Square Layout Tool. The Woodpeckers. Delve Square is a compact 10-in-1 layout tool designed for precision woodworking, cabinetry, and furniture making. Optimized around standard 3/4-inch stock, it quickly finds center lines, lays out mortise and tenon joints, and doubles as a setup gauge. Micro machine scribing notches allow accurate parallel lines, while built-in angle markings support a variety of layouts. Available in lightweight anodized aluminum or durable stainless steel, the Delve Square delivers exceptional accuracy and versatility in a pocket-sized package.
DOVAMAN Sliding Miter Saw. The DOVAMAN Sliding Miter Saw is a versatile corded electric saw available in 10-inch and 12-inch models, both powered by a strong 15-amp motor. Its sliding rails extend cutting capacity for wider materials, while the built-in laser guide ensures precise cuts. The saw supports dual bevel and miter angles up to 45 degrees, features extendable side plates, an ambidextrous ergonomic design, and an integrated dust bag. The 10-inch model includes dual speed and multi-material cutting capabilities, making it ideal for DIY and professional projects. BORA Jobhorse Leg Brackets. The BORA Jobhorse Leg Brackets PM3310 are a versatile, heavy-duty sawhorse solution for carpenters, DIYers, and construction pros. Designed to work with standard 2x lumber, each pair supports up to 1,000 pounds. Foot-activated hinge locks and angled teeth ensure a stable, slip-free hold, even on uneven ground. The brackets fold compactly for easy storage and transport, while pre-drilled holes allow adding a sacrificial top. Create custom-length sawhorses quickly and securely for any project. HARDELL Mini Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Mini Rotary Tool is a compact, lightweight and cordless tool perfect for precise DIY and crafting projects. Featuring 5 adjustable speed settings from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, it handles sanding, polishing, drilling, engraving and light cutting with ease. Its built-in LED light illuminates tight spaces, while a rechargeable USB battery ensures portability. With over 60 versatile accessories and easy bit changes, this tool offers exceptional control, precision, and convenience for detailed, intricate work. EZARC AW Blade. EZARC saw blades are engineered for superior performance and durability, crafted from premium materials like carbide, high cobalt bimetal, and chromium vanadium. Designed for a variety of applications, from precise woodworking to heavy-duty demolition, these blades feature optimized tooth geometries, variable TPI, and specialized coatings for smoother, faster cuts. With universal shank compatibility, EZARC blades fit all major saw brands, ensuring versatility across materials like wood, metal, PVC, and masonry. Arc edge and non-stick designs enhance cutting efficiency and blade longevity. WORX Circular Electric Saw. The WORX Circular Electric Saw combines compact, lightweight design with versatile cutting performance, perfect for both DIYers and professionals. Available in corded and cordless PowerShare 20-volt models, it features adjustable bevels up to 45 degrees for precise cuts. Enhanced visibility comes from LED work lights, laser guides, and left-sided blades. Safety is prioritized with an electric blade brake, safety lock switch, and spindle lock. Select models include exact rack technology for flawless straight cuts. A dust port keeps your workspace clean. PacTool Snapper Shear Pro. The PacTool Snapper Shear Pro is a drill attachment engineered for precise dust-free cutting of fiber cement backerboard and siding. Compatible with any 18-volt or higher cordless drill, it transforms your drill into a versatile cutter. Its 360-degree swivel head allows straight, curved, or circle cuts with clean edges, while durable reversible blades handle up to 20,000 linear feet. Designed for professionals and DIYers, the Snapper-Shear Pro ensures safe, efficient, and accurate cutting with minimal airborne dust, keeping job sites clean and OSHA compliant. GOINGMAKE Table Saw Miter Gauge. The GOINGMAKE Table Saw Miter Gauge is a premium woodworking accessory designed for precision and reliability. Featuring a micro-adjustable flip stop, an extendable aluminum fence, and multiple positive angle stops, it ensures highly accurate crosscuts and miter cuts. Its zero calibration and zero fit miter bar provide effortless alignment and stability. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it combines strength with precision. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, this miter gauge makes repeatable, flawless cuts easy, efficient, and reliable every time. Milescraft Track Saw Guide. The Milescraft Track Saw Guide converts a standard circular saw into a precision cutting system, offering all aluminum construction for rigidity and an easy-align red cutting strip for splinter-free cuts. Compatible with most saws up to 7 1/4 inches, it features anti-slip strips and T-track clamps for secure placement. Expandable rails handle full 8-foot sheets, while low-profile design allows deep cuts up to 2 inches. Smooth operation is ensured with glide adjustable pads, making setup quick and accurate for professional quality results. KATA Door Lock Kit. The KATA Door Lock Kit is a complete, easy-to-use solution for installing standard door locks in wood or metal-clad doors. It features an adjustable U-type guide template with snap lock arms for precise door thickness and backset alignment. The kit includes durable carbon steel and M42 bi-metal hole saws, 1 inch and 2 1/8 inch, an arbor with pilot drill bit, and all necessary components. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, it ensures fast, accurate installation of most deadbolts and knob locks. NARBELL Orbital Sander. The NARBELL Orbital Sander is a high-performance corded palm sander designed for woodworking and fine finishing. It features a powerful 3.0 amp all-copper motor with 6 variable speeds ranging from 6,000 to 14,000 RPM, allowing precise control for different surfaces. The ergonomic lightweight design includes a shock-absorbing handle and soft rubber grip for comfort during extended use. Equipped with a 5-inch hook and loop sanding pad, efficient dust collection system, and a kit of 15 sanding discs, it ensures smooth, clean, and professional results. WEP Wood Burning Kit. The WEP Wood Burning Kit is a professional pyrography station designed for precision and versatility. Featuring adjustable temperature control from 200 degrees Celsius to 750 degrees Celsius, it allows artists to work on wood, leather, and more with exact heat settings. Select models include a dual pen design for quick tip switching, while ergonomic pens reduce hand fatigue. Kits come with extensive interchangeable tips, an integrated pen holder, and essential accessories, offering everything needed for detailed pyrography, shading, and creative projects right out of the box. BORA Wide Panel Supports. The BORA wide panel supports are essential accessories for BORA centipede workstands, designed to securely hold wide panels during cutting and other tasks. Featuring a large 9 inches by 2.75 inches non-skid platform, 360-degree swivel capability, and a durable post that fits all centipede workbenches. These supports ensure stability, precision, and protection for your workpieces. Quick to set up and built to last, they provide a reliable alternative to clamps or brackets, making panel handling easier, safer, and more efficient. POWERTEC Tandem Featherboards. The POWERTEC Tandem Featherboards are essential woodworking accessories designed to enhance safety, precision, and control. Their angled fingers firmly hold stock against fences or tables, reducing kickback and improving accuracy. With universal compatibility for standard mitre slots and T-tracks, plus a stackable design for taller workpieces, these featherboards offer versatility across table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers. Made from durable yet flexible material, featuring ergonomic knobs and a reversible profile, they ensure reliable, adjustable, and safe operation for every woodworking project. YARDCARE Electric Chainsaw. The YARDCARE electric chainsaw delivers powerful, efficient cutting for both professional and home use. Available in corded and cordless models, it features high-performance motors, automatic oiling, and tool-free chain tensioning for easy operation and maintenance. Safety is prioritized with intelligent e-brake systems, chain brakes, overload protection, and dual safety switches. Ergonomically designed with soft grip handles and balanced weight, it reduces user fatigue. Versatile bar lengths and quality chains ensure precision, making YARDCARE chainsaws reliable, convenient, and safe for all cutting tasks. MANRAM Cabinet Clamps. The MANRAM cabinet clamps are durable, high-quality tools designed to simplify face frame cabinet assembly. They combine alignment, clamping, and pre-drilling in a single operation, saving time and effort. Featuring an integrated precision drill guide, protective felt pads, and a robust aluminum construction, these clamps provide strong clamping force while preventing damage to cabinet surfaces. With a 4-inch capacity, compatibility with styles up to 1 1/4 inches thick, and a portable storage case, they ensure precise, secure, and efficient cabinet installation.